Good morning, friends. Last lecture we had to discuss about the Hague reaction. Okay, in this Hague reaction we have to discuss the carbon-carbon bond formation reaction. Okay, therefore in this lecture we have to discuss the Sonogashira reaction. Okay, this is the third reaction of the carbon-carbon bond formation reaction in the transition metal complexes such as palladium. Okay, therefore this is the Sonogashira reaction. Therefore your palladium copper catalyzed. Okay, look at this, the palladium copper catalyzed the cross coupling of the organohalide with the terminal alkyne. Okay, means in this Sonogashira reaction, therefore you have to take the palladium copper catalyzed, and therefore it is a cross coupling of the organohalides. You have to cross coupling the palladium and copper catalyzed. Okay, and then with the terminal alkyne. Okay, means that the palladium copper catalyzed is a cross coupling of organohalide with the terminal alkyne. Okay, म्हणजे लक्षात घ्या की क्रॉस कपलिंग कशाचं होतं, therefore your cross coupling of the organohalide with the terminal alkyne, you have to use the palladium copper catalyst. Okay, then second point it is says that ki you have to coupling the D terminal alkyne. Okay, लक्षात घ्या कि you have to coupling the D-terminal alkyne with the aryl or the vinyl halide undergoes the palladium catalyst known as Sonogashira reaction. Okay, means therefore you have to the coupling of the terminal alkyne. Terminal alkyne से आपण काय करतो coupling. Okay, therefore you have to coupling of the terminal alkyne with the aryl or vinyl halide. Aryl or vinyl halide बरोबर terminal alkyne से काय करतो coupling करतो. Undergoes, okay, coupling of the terminal alkyne with the aryl or the vinyl halide undergoes the palladium catalyst known as Sonogashira reaction. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय करतो आपण की कपलिंग ऑफ डी टर्मिनल अल्काइन विथ द अरिल और विनिल हालाइड. अरिल आणि विनिल हालाइड बरोबर टर्मिनल अल्काइनचं काय करतो कपलिंग करतो आणि दॅट अंडरगोज द पॅलेडियम कॅटलिस्ट. कोणत्या कॅटलिस्टचे अंडरगो करतो आपण पॅलेडियम catalyst. Okay, and therefore it is known as Sonogashira reaction. Okay, therefore the third point, that is a palladium zero catalyst is used in the presence of base, and it is a generally copper iodide used as a cobalt catalyst. Okay, look at this point. It says that ki your palladium zero catalyst, it is used in the presence of base. In the presence of the base you have to use the palladium zero catalyst, and therefore it is a generally the copper iodide you have to use as a cobalt catalyst. Cobalt catalyst you have to use as a copper iodide. म्हणजे cobalt catalyst म्हणून आपण कशाचा यूज करतो जनरली कॉपर आयोडाइडचा. ओके, तर therefore this is all about the introduction part of the Sonogashira reaction. Okay, look at this, the general reaction of the Sonogashira reaction. Therefore you have to take the alkyl halide, then it is addition with the terminal alkyne in presence of palladium zero catalyst and the copper iodide in presence of base, that is a diethylamide at the room temperature, and you have to formation of aromatic terminal alkyne. Okay, and therefore this is the side product. Okay, therefore this is the general reaction of the Sonogashira reaction, and then you have to discuss the mechanism of the Sonogashira reaction of the carbon-carbon bond formation reaction. Okay, you have to take the firstly the terminal alkyne. You have to take firstly the terminal alkyne. The terminal alkyne in presence of base upon copper iodide. Okay, look at this, that the diethyl amide. Okay, that diethylamide, therefore nitrogen group containing the lone pair, and that lone pair it is abstract this H plus, and therefore it is formation on the negative charge on this carbon atom, and that negative charge is abstract the copper and iodine is removed, and therefore you have to formation of the copper terminal copper complexes. Okay, terminal copper terminal alkyne काय होतं फॉर्म होतं. ओके, you have to formation of the copper terminal alkyne, you have to formation, and the side product is about the diethylamide iodide. Okay, then you have to take the aromatic halide. Okay, you have to take the alkyl halide, means that is the aromatic halide, and then in presence of the PDL2, PD0, because you have to know about the PDPPS34, that is the palladium containing the second oxidation state. Therefore, you have to convert it into the palladium 0 oxidation state, and then you have to use in the oxidative addition reaction. But in this reaction, therefore your palladium is in 0, you have to directly use in the oxidative addition reaction. Okay, therefore the palladium lone pair, it is attack on the aromatic ring. Therefore S is a migrate them, and it is a migrate them, and it is inserted on the palladium. Therefore your oxidative addition product for this, that is aromatic palladium ArPdL2X. Okay, then you have to addition the equation 1 and equation 2 product. Okay, this is the copper terminal copper alkyne product, and therefore this is the halide component oxidative addition product. You have to addition them, and therefore this is the transmetallation. ओके, दोघांची ॲडिशन झाली की तुमची जी रिॲक्शन होते ती दॅट रिॲक्शन इज अ ट्रान्समेटलेशन रिॲक्शन. ओके, यू हॅव टू टेक दिस halide oxidative addition complex, then you have to addition with the copper terminal alkyne product in presence of transmetallation reaction. Okay, reaction कोणती होती? transmetallation reaction, and therefore your copper halide group is removed, and therefore that terminal alkyne, it is attached on the palladium complexes. Okay, look at this. Next point is about the ligand. Okay, look at this. The terminal alkyne, it is attached with this palladium complexes, and therefore that alkyl component. Okay, look at this, that the aromatic component, you have to migrated on the palladium complexes, and it is inserted on this carbon, and therefore that carbon palladium bond are break, and therefore this is the reductive elimination reaction, and you have to formation of the terminal alkyne, and therefore your side product is about the PDL2. Okay, लक्षात घ्या. Therefore you have to understanding for this situation. Therefore your aromatic group, you have to migrate them. Okay, you have to aromatic group, you have to migrate them on this carbon atom, and therefore your carbon palladium bond are break, and therefore this is the reductive elimination reaction, and you have to formation of the terminal alkyne product, that is aromatic group, you have to attach with them. Okay, and then addition with the PDL2 in presence of palladium oxidation state is about the 0. Okay, so therefore this is all about the Sonogashira reaction, and therefore it is a general reaction and its mechanism. Okay, look at this. The next is the geometry of the alkene is preserved in the reaction CZ. Okay, the geometry of the alkene is preserved in the reaction CZ, and the trans E dichloroethylene gives the two different geometric isomers of the enine. Okay, लक्षात घ्या की therefore your geometry of the alkene is preserved in the reaction. Geometry of alkene preserved in the reaction. Reaction मध्ये आपण geometry of alkene काय करतो? preserve करतो, and therefore your cis Z and the trans E dichloroethylene, you have to give the different geometrical isomers of the enine. Okay, look at this. The example of these geometrical alkenes. Therefore firstly you have to take the dichloroethylene in presence of the terminal alkyne in presence of PDPPS twice copper iodide and BuNH2, that is a base at room temperature, and you have to formation of this Z alkene. Okay, you have to formation of this Z alkene. हा कोणता alkene तयार होतं? That is a Z alkene. That Z alkene means what? It is a cis isomer. Okay, Z alkene means it is a cis isomer. Okay, means you have to very for the MCQ. Okay, look at this. For the MCQ you have to very carefully know that you have to take the terminal alkyne, and this is the halide group. Okay, therefore you have to directly migrate and then inserted on this carbon atom, and the Cl is removed. Therefore you have to formation of this product, that is the Z alkene, that is the cis isomer. Then againly you have to take the example of the trans, that is a dichloroethylene in presence of terminal alkyne in presence of PDPPS34 copper iodide BuNH2 as a base at the room temperature, and you have to formation of the product is in E alkene. Okay, product काय तयार होतो तुमचा? E alkene. Okay, that E alkene means it is a trans product. E alkene is a trans product, and therefore this trans dichloroethylene इट गिव्स दी ट्रान्स प्रोडक्ट. ओके, ट्रान्स प्रोडक्ट काय होतं, तयार होतं. लक्षात घ्या की हे जे दोन कंपोनंट दिले किंवा हा जो सोनोगशिरा रिॲक्शनचा एक्झाम्पल आहे ते लक्षात घ्या की याच्यात डायरेक्टली जो टर्मिनल अल्काईन आहे तो टर्मिनल अल्काईन फॉर दी MCQ. लक्षात घ्या, फॉर दी MCQ यू आर टू व्हेरी क्विक trick for the product formation. Okay, very quick trick for the product formation. Therefore you have to take this dihalide component, then you have to take the terminal alkyne and PDPPS4 and copper iodide and the base at room temperature. Therefore you have to HR remove, and therefore you have to migrate this terminal alkyne and directly attach with this carbon atom and Cl is removed, and therefore you have to formation of this product. Therefore no change of the geometry, no change of the geometry and the isomers. Okay, therefore this is all about the Sonogashira reaction. हे संपूर्णपणे काय झालं तुमचं Sonogashira reaction and its example. Okay, then nextly the Sonogashira reaction you are to use in the preparation of indyne अँटीबायोटिक्स. ओके, लक्षात घ्या की सोनोगशिरा रिॲक्शन हे आपण मॅक्झिममली कशामध्ये यूज करतो, इट इज अ यूज इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ इनडाइन अँटीबायोटिक्समध्ये आपण सोनोगशिरा रिॲक्शन यूज करतो. ओके, देन द सिमेट्रिकली इनडाइन्स मे बी सिंथेसाइज इन द वन स्टेप. Okay, you have to take this symmetrically indyne, you have to maybe synthesize in one step from the molecules of the terminal alkyne. Okay, that one step from the two molecules of the terminal alkyne and the Z dialloethane, and therefore your symmetrically indyne undergo the Bergman cyclization to give the benzene diradical. Okay, you have to take the dihalo component. Okay, you have to take the dialloethane addition with the terminal alkyne in presence of palladium 0 catalyst at the copper iodide EtNH2. Okay, you have to formation of this product, and then in presence of Bergman cyclization you have to formation of the benzene diradical. Okay, you have to formation of this benzene diradical, and therefore this is all about the Sonogashira reaction, and therefore it is all about its example. Okay, this example is a very simple. You have to therefore you have to take the example, and then in your example you have to take the terminal alkyne dihalo component PDPP3 for copper iodide and the base at room temperature. You have to directly this terminal alkyne, it is attached with this carbon atom. Okay, attach with this carbon atom and CLR remove, and you have to formation of this product. Okay, so therefore this is all about the Sonogashira reaction. Next time we have to discuss about the steel coupling reaction. Okay, next time we have to discuss about the steel coupling reaction. Okay, thank you.